Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today, I wanted to do a little unboxing for you. I got this in the mail today because I ordered stuff from Black Friday. And I'm gonna open it. So if you want to see me open it and see what's inside, keep on watching. I'm in my new beauty setup right now because I decided I needed a bigger space. And this is what you're gonna be seeing now. At least it's Jeffree star and his vinyl and my Jack sticker. And my little gift message from my friend. Okay. I'm gonna open this now. And try not to hurt myself in the process. No, I didn't get a mystery box. I just got a bunch of stuff that I've wanted and that was on sale at the time. Because when he does sales, you gotta get on that because he very rarely does them. Kate versus box. I think the box is gonna win. Okay. Still have to cut it. Oh my gosh. Please don't kill me. This is the most entertaining part. Okay. So, I opened it. I think I'm gonna put this on the floor. Okay. Opening the box. I don't know if this is gonna fit right here. You guys should literally see me right now. Okay. Paper. I got paper. I got lots of paper. Holy crap. I got paper. My cats are gonna probably play in that. My cats are definitely gonna play in that. Okay. So, first thing, and I collect these, is the little postcard things. And this is really cool. This one's gonna be up here. Or here. It's going on my wall. I love these and I always get them. And when I get them, they go on the wall. They go on the wall of Jeffree. My little packaging slip. Okay, so first thing, is 3 liquid lippies. And I got shade Can't Relate, Leo, because I'm a Leo. My birthday's actually August 11th. And then I got Strawberry Crush. And I will put swatches up for you guys. The next thing I got is a Skin Frost in Peach Goddess. And I'll insert a picture. The next thing I got is 2 straw packs. I really like his metal straws, and I use them constantly. If I can reach it. I have this one from the Halloween mystery box, and I just love it. So that's why I wanted to get more. Definitely invest in these. Save the turtles because... and help our environment. I really like these metal straws. I think these metal straws are really good. And they come with a little cleaner. I got a Jeffree Star approved t-shirt. I've wanted one of these for forever, and I finally got one. And lastly, but not least, I'm gonna put this box down. Guys, it's like Christmas. Oh my gosh. Okay. Lastly, I've wanted one of these for a long time, and I'm happy I finally got one for myself. I got myself the Jeffree Star Rose Gold travel bag. One of my favorite colors is rose gold, and I absolutely adore this. I'm so happy I finally have one to take with me when I go places. I'm gonna take the little plastic things off everything, and most satisfying part usually about buying electronics, because a lot of the time electronics come with this, but just taking off the little sticker things. I think Jeffree Star Cosmetics is like my favorite makeup brand. I love what he stands for. I love him as a person. There's a big truck. We're gonna open this baby up. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Put that in there. I'm so excited to own this now. This is huge. Like, you could fit a lot in here. I'm so excited. This is like my new favorite makeup bag. And I'm definitely gonna use it. Look at how pretty that is. I love rose gold too. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys liked what I got. I'm definitely going to be using all of this. I'm super excited. If you follow me on Twitter, you're never going to see me without my metal straws now. I only had one, and now I have all of these. So, save the turtles, get metal straws.